Hello everyone and welcome to BISP Solutions. I am CS Anjana Mishra, working as the lead functional consultant at BISP Solutions. I specialize in synthesizing and analyzing the financial data. I have 7 years of experience in NetSuite, HFM, FCCS. BISP Solutions is a tech company providing technological solutions across the globe. We have a far-flung proficiency in end-to-end implementation and support. Today we'll be looking at printing the checks into the Oracle NetSuite application. Now, printing the checks means all those checks which were created and were not printed at the moment, and they were saved as to be printed at any later point of time. So moving on to our NetSuite application. So this is the NetSuite application. Now in order to print the checks into the management, print checks and forms, checks over here, the first thing you'll have to do is to select the bank account. Here only one bank account is visible because must be only one bank account for whose checks has to be printed. Had there been 2-3 more bank accounts, I could have selected from all those which are available. Okay, now the first check number is the check number that is available into the system. This is the check number, that is whatever check number will be now printed will be check number 60, or else with the after you can also provide any unique check number to the check that you would be like to print. Now here is the check type, means what will be the format for the check that needs to be printed. This is a voucher or a standard check type. So whichever check type, whatever is the preference for you, whether you want it to be printed as a voucher or as a standard check printing, you can of course select it from there. Also you can make the changes into the font or the check types, the standard layout into the setup, company, no, just a moment, yes, into the company and printing and fax. Over here you can go and create or make your make changes into the format of the check that needs to be printed. Yes, so I do not want to provide any unique check number. I would like to go as it is into the system, and I would like to print this particular check over here, which was created on 28th of August 2020, and I would like to just print it. I have selected that particular check and and now I'm going to print it. So as you can see, this is the check that has been printed. It has the date, the name of the partner, amount, address for the partner, and this is the actually memo that was there into the check at the time of creating. So this is the memo that is there. Now let us just cross this. Again, we are on the same window. Now, as you can see, the check number has been changed from 60 to 61 because 60 we have just printed, and as in when we would like, we are going to print the checks, the number is going to change. Or for any particular check, you can also provide a check number to the an unique check number to the check. So this was all from my side into the printing the checks into the Oracle NetSuite application. So in case of any queries, doubts, consultation, or information, you can of course get back to us at www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you so much.